Good evening, guys. It is Tim from Chasin Outdoors. It is Friday, May 30th, and I am just finally getting into the bear site. This is only the second hunt I've been able to get going. Just checking the site out. There was bears earlier in the day, and cubs were around, so I'm always checking the trees to make sure no cubs are hiding up there. Don't want to be out here trying to get ready for the hunt with cubs stuck right above me and a mom sticking around ready to tear my face off. The bait site is completely dry. They cleaned me out. I only baited the day before. Usually the bait lasts a couple of days, but with 3 sows, 7 cubs, this is crazy. So all I've got with me right now is some barbecue smoke by Pro Expedition, and I'm just getting the site smelling good and doing the best I can to try and lure a bear in. So we have made it up into the stand, guys, and there were no bears here, but the bear site is bone dry on food. Like, I mean bone dry. There was not a darn thing left, and I didn't bring any bait with me, so I did spray some of that, but without any bait actually here, there's nothing to hold the bears here, so this could turn into like a nothing kind of night, but we'll see. Memories on my Facebook, and I have never, only once out of my career in hunting have I not already had my bear in the freezer by now. Because I don't care if my bear is 300 pounds. I don't. 200-pound bear, 175, 200-pound bear is perfect to me because A, he's manageable. I can get him out of my own, no problem. B, he's manageable and I can get him out of my own, no problem. Okay, there's only a few minutes left of the night. I'm gonna actually get going. My back is really killing me. Getting too old for this ladder stand stuff, I guess. But there hasn't been a bear here since 4 o'clock today, and nothing tonight. I've been here for a long time, and I'm really tired, so screw it. I'm gonna peel out now instead of scaring anything. There's no bait here, so I'm not expecting to see anything tonight, but I'll rebait it in the morning, and hopefully that'll draw everything back in for tomorrow night. The following morning, Eric and I quickly ran out and baited early in the morning to make sure there was bait and allowed the site time to cool off from us being there so that the bears would come in. So we've made it back in the stand. Something hit the third barrel over here, the one that's laying down. Could have been raccoons, though. I'm not sure what it was, but I don't think it was a bear because I don't remember seeing any pictures. It rained all afternoon, so nothing came in after we baited, and all the smell, like all the bread and the toffee caramel we put on top of the barrel, the main barrel, it's all gone. It got eaten probably by crows. So but we're in the stand now. It's really muggy, it's really humid, but it's cleared up, and I'm hoping the bears are going to show up now. Alright guys, we're going into the last hour, magic hour. Probably, I don't know what the statistics are, but probably the hour that you would see the most activity, which is that last hour before dark. And thought we heard something over here, but nothing yet. So we're still waiting on a bear to come in. That was really awesome, guys. The cubs just left. Eric had to get his coat on, and they were going up the trail, so he got his coat on. They might be just in the woods there, but who knows? It's pitch black in there right now. It's getting dark out. But we never saw the mom. We only saw the two cubs. So out of the 3 sows and 7 cubs, I think these are the oldest ones, because there's a sow with 2 smaller cubs, and then there's one with 3. Or maybe it's just the one with 3 and we only saw 2. But anyways, at the very least we've got 2 sows, 7 and 5 cubs, or 3 and 7. So, but those are the oldest ones so far. It's pretty cool. Eric's finally got to see some bears, tiny little ones, but still pretty awesome. They loved. When we got here, I poured red velvet cake jam on top of the barrel, and they just devoured it. Like, they went nuts for it. That stuff is so awesome. Anybody not using it's crazy, because the bears just love it. And that's it for this night of hunting, guys. Unfortunately, nothing else came out. We didn't even see the sow for these cubs, but that is what it is. That's hunting. Hopefully we'll have some more nice weather, and we have the rut coming up very, very soon. Probably going to start in the next week or two, and I am so excited. I'm hoping to see some really nice bears and get myself the biggest bear to date. Well, that's it for this episode of Chasing Trails Outdoors, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day.